and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Access Cab Manual in the color white. Let's take a look. Starting up front here, underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 manual transmission. Gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front here, we have our headlamps, daytime running lights, and the fog lights. As you move along to the side, we do have our alloy wheels here and our side mirrors with integrated turn signals. All of the windows come with a factory tinting. And if you take a look at your rear windshield, this middle panel is able to be slid over. Take a look at that when we go inside the cab space. Taking a look at the back here, if you look through, you'll find your spare tire stored right underneath. And next to your handle, you have your backup camera. To access your tailgate, simply release the handle and it will soft open from there. Take a quick look around the inside here. Once you get to the right hand side, you'll find this additional little storage space and power outlet. And to close up, simply reach down and bring up your tailgate. There we go. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So first thing you might notice is that, of course, due to it being an access cab, to get to your back seats, simply open up your front door, reach into this little pocket space, and pull the handle. Now we can access your rear seat space or this additional storage space depending on how you see it. Of course, we can fully fold the seats upwards and also are able to fold the heads downwards. All good use for storage. This is where you're able to access to move over that sliding panel for your rear windshield. Underneath the seats, we do have some additional storage space, accessible simply by doing or undoing your little locking mechanism. And the seats are able to be raised and lowered via this little handle here that you release to bring it up or down, and then it fully locks into place. Currently, we have the Toyota branded rubber mats throughout the whole of the unit. Of course, this rear space can be used for seating with some additional storage space, including cup holders and a rear pouch storage. Nice amount of storage inside the rear door here as well. Now we'll take a look at the driver's door panel where we have the power window controls for your two front windows, child safety locks, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, up, down, and lumbar support. And we do have the cloth material upholstery in the two different dual shades of gray with this lovely white stitching and this nice textured detailing. Down below, you'll find your hood release latch on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, the controls for your headlamps, rear power outlet, clutch start/cancel, and your traction control. Hop up here and take a look at your steering wheel. So, on your left-hand side, you have your radio controls and then your volume and your hands-free communication. On the right-hand side, we have the controls for your dash, your cruise control, sonar, and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment center. It's where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM and FM radio, full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, and an optional USB adapter. Underneath here, Climate Control Center, we have the dual climate controls so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have your tri-level heated seat controls for both of the front seats. We have the defrost for your front windshield and your side mirrors here, and then your dial control for your two-wheel 4 high and 4 low. Underneath there, we have a nice storage space in front of your gear shift, as well as having that USB port and then your 12-volt on the right-hand side. Of course, the lovely leather manual gear shift here. Just behind that, we have your cup holders and storage spaces. And then last but not least, looking upwards on your rear view mirror, we do have these little house-shaped controls. These are your garage door openers. Above that, we have your sunglasses compartment, your SOS, 8-track rear diff lock, as well as your overhead lighting controls. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Manual Access Cab in the color white. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.